Oh hi, this is Luis JC, and currently I'm in eastern Slovakia. I'm at a castle called Čičava, and I'm here together with my good friend Daniel.
Čičava, or Čičava, is nowadays a ruin of a castle dating back to the 13th century. It stands on the aforesaid projection of the Beskidské foothills in the Mernická hilly area. This building in the Prešov region, specifically in the Zemplín region, has been a place of my visit already a few times. Vrano nad Topľou district, where the castle is located, invited us again. Our 10-minute hike began in the village of Sedliska at the height of 160 meters. The castle of Čičava lies in 205 meters. Even though we knew the way up to our destination, we followed the green tourist mark. The quest could start. There is a legend about the castle. The legend is quite short, so I will retell it to you right now. In the 16th and the 17th century, there used to be the Book of Lies and Liars on the castle, known throughout Slovakia as the Čičava book. Along with the names of the liars, all the possible and impossible lies and untruths were recorded in that book. The remnant of it is now the annual haunting in the castle. This is where all the liars who got to the book meet, the Čičava castle. According to this book, a well-known Slovak reversal arose. This should also be written in the Čičava book.
So, I'm here at the castle to find the allegedly existing book, which might be somewhere around the castle. Yeah, currently we are the only ones at the castle. Castle is absolutely empty. No one's here. Nothing.
Have you found anything?
No.
As you could see, it was pretty obvious that we wouldn't find anything. We just wanted to have a little fun and try something no one has ever tried before us. Although our search was completely unsuccessful, we had a quite good time, and who knows, maybe the book will be someday found, and the mystery of the existence of it will be unveiled.